What's the meaning of assistant professor? Assistant professor. Assistant professor.
Assistant professor. Assistant professor. An assistant professor is an academic rank in higher education. They are typically appointed to the position after completing their doctoral degree and are responsible for teaching undergraduate and graduate level courses, conducting research and publishing scholarly articles. Assistant professors are also expected to participate in departmental and university service activities. This position is often considered a probationary or tenure-track appointment, meaning that the professor must demonstrate their potential for excellence in teaching, research and service before being granted tenure, which provides job security and academic freedom.